I see mid-size and even small businesses using Meraki and finding not just the power, but the flexibility they need to grow their business. We launched this camera just a couple years ago, and it has been the most successful product launch at Meraki ever. And I think that comes from really two things. One is, it is the simplest enterprise camera on the market. But the second is that the feature set continues to evolve. We've built deep intelligence into this camera using machine learning, and we've opened up the APIs to enable partners around the world to build incredibly powerful technology on top of this platform, bringing machine vision and machine learning to everyone. Right now at Meraki, we're really focused on simplifying the digital workplace with the most intelligent solutions. And these three components, simplicity, intelligence, and the digital workforce and the digital workplace, is a message that the channel can just seems to adopt and magnify so well. And that's why the relationship between Meraki and our MSPs and our systems integrators and our VARs has been, I think, so phenomenal, especially over the last couple of years.